All right. Good morning, and we are back at Six Flags Great America. It is April 20th, opening day of the 2024 season. Hi there.
Hi.
Yeah. Looks like we have some new construction up here at the entrance. Got this new fence that popped up. Some work being done. I'm not sure exactly what they're planning on doing over here. And something new you might notice, remember Kenzie, there used to be like a bunch of flagpoles that stuck up in the middle here?
Yeah.
That's gone now.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well,
they got rid of the Six Flags. Great job, Six Flags, getting rid of your own name. Yeah, a lot of new stuff over here. We got some concrete footers over here, so they're probably building something. Hopefully it looks nice like their original ticket gates. Yeah, we'll find out later in the season what this ends up being. Okay, back inside the park and got a lot of new updates over here around the entrance area. These restrooms, it appears, are closed. It seems like they're being remodeled.
Just in case you guys want to get it for free.
And then over here, Kenzie, look at this.
What?
There used to be like a wall here. You couldn't walk over here. There's a new
You're
path
right.
to get
guys.
over here.
You're right. Guys, they created a new path.
Yeah. And people just walk out of the upstairs, the
They
Emporium.
moved the rooster.
Yeah, you're right.
Oh,
This actually looks very nice. I'm all for this. We widen the path here. Makes it a lot more accessible to
yeah.
walk into this area. Get a nicer view of the Emporium here too. Very nice. A big change, but I'm liking that.
Foghorn Leghorn, JT.
Oh yeah. This should look new. Yep. Goodbye Mardi Gras hangover. Never cared for you, and hopefully you don't reopen anywhere else. Curious what they're going to do with this spot. Yeah, construction walls are just up. Maybe later I'll take a peek, but yeah. For now, that's what it's looking like.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Got an update here of the county fair area. There is no more revolution. For now, it is just a patch of asphalt. Very wide open space here, but we do got this new, what looks like could be a gift shop being put in place. I don't know, we'll have to find out later. The old entrance of American Eagle, well, not original entrance, but the previous one it had, is now gone. We should be getting a new one eventually. And then here we have the future site of Sky Striker. You can see the supports of the ride are right there, laying down sideways. Yeah. See some caution tape over there on the queue for American Eagle. Not sure why that's there, if they're looking to maybe fix something there, but not sure really. But yeah, very interesting site here. I'm excited to get on this ride when it opens. Also, I don't know if it's easy to tell, but over there used to be a pirate ship, and now that is gone. So I wonder what they're going to do with that area, or if they're just going to leave it like that. But we'll see what happens to the future of Kidsopolis. I'm hoping that it gets a refurbishment, or maybe they just refresh that area. It also doesn't look good too that they just left their haunted house over there, Big Top Tear. Not really right for a kids section, I don't think. But yeah, that's the update on Kidsopolis.
By Milky Way.
Yeah.
Don't crack your head open, is what I'm trying to say.
All right, to Southwest Territory.
Yes.
After we fell forward. Oh! Sorry, I like it. Everyone did this. Oh.
Goliath. Yeah, I can't wait for that extension for the.
Now something new over here I heard, but I'll have to keep an eye on it. They changed the spiel on this ride. I don't know if they still say like X-Flight Recruits or something like that, but I hear it's different. But the original music they opened with the ride is now back.
There are people thoroughly enjoying that ride right now.
Back to Demon again, and unfortunately we got the rock work around the loops removed, but I did notice something new here waiting in line. Let the train go here. Look at the tunnel here. Got some new lights going on in there. What happened here? You got like a panda or a cow, maybe? Huh. Well, you see it now at Carousel Plaza.